In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the cell function here in Google Sheets. So basically, the cell function gives you the different type of information that you want to know about a certain cell. And the different type of information are right here. You have the address, column, contents, prefix, row, type, and width. Now, these are all the information that you might want to know about your cell right here. So let's go ahead and do that. For the first one, the address, it's basically going to tell you the cell reference of your cell right here. So let's go ahead and do our formula. We have our syntax right here. Start with the equal sign, type in cell, and you'll see our syntax again. We have their info type and our reference. So our info type would be these ones right here. We can just select them or we can hard code them by typing them. But right now we're just going to do a cell reference, comma, and our reference, which is this cell right here. If we press enter, there we have it in plain text, our cell reference in absolute reference. Now, if we try and drag this formula to the right, it will give us the number 2, which is actually the incorrect one because our cell right here is found in the first column. So if we double click on this to check on our formula, it has moved our cell reference to the right. So let's go ahead and change that by putting in an absolute reference to our actual cell reference in our formula. So let's delete that. Double click on this and put an absolute reference to our cell. And there you have it. If we press enter, it will still give us the same result. But this time, if we drag the formula to the right, like so, it will now give us the return value of 1, which is the correct one because our cell right here is found in the first column. Let's try and drag that formula to the next info type, which is our contents. Let's go ahead and drag it. And there we have it. The contents of that cell is the same. We have Cindy and Cindy. Next one for our prefix. If we drag it to the right, it's giving us the caret symbol, which would mean the contents of our cell is aligned in the middle. Now, if I try and format this and align it to the left, and if I try and drag the formula again to the right, it will now give me a single quotation, which means that the contents of that cell is now aligned to the left. If I try and align it to the right, drag this formula again, now it's in double quotations, meaning that it's now aligned to the right. Let's put it back to the middle. Bring back the caret sign. And there you have it. Now let's drag the formula to our row. And there you have it. It will tell you that that cell is located in the 3rd row. Next one, we have our type. Drag it to the right. And now it's giving you the value of L. Now the letter L is for label, which means the contents of your cell is a text. Now if I change it into a number, it will give me the letter V, which stands for value. If I delete the contents of that cell, it will now give me the letter B, which stands for blank. And for the last one, let's just drag our formula to the right. And there we have it. We have the width of 14 for that cell right there. And those were the different information that you might want to know about your cell using the cell function here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.